Oh, that was good.
No.
Tic Tac got caught in the water.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department. Everyone in Oklahoma City, get to your homes immediately at 3:30 Mountain Daylight Time. A greenish colored owl has been walking through neighborhoods and cities. The owl's identity is unknown, however the police are gonna get more info in the owl. Please stay tuned for more updates as they become available.
Later.
Oye, loco, ¿qué es lo que se ve ahí atrás del palo, güey? ¡Eso, güey! ¡Loco, corre! ¡Corre! Mamazota.
Idiot. Later.
In the library all day today. Miss Sheena Blair's classes will meet in the gym today. Miss Zoe Sargent Sloan's classes will meet in the gym today. Mr. Skeen's first period only will meet in the gym.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Oklahoma City Police Department in conjunction with the Department of Missing and Exploited Children at approximately 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. A kid named Leo Darwin was abducted from his home in Oklahoma City. He was last seen wearing a Minecraft shirt, blue jeans, black shoes, and blue eyes. The suspect is believed to be the owl that was breaking into people's homes and killing them. Stay tuned for more info on this situation.
Later.
A silver alert has been issued for Kingman Police Department. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. Kingman Police Department is looking for Ramon Garza, 71 years of age, Hispanic male, 5 foot, 8 inches tall, gray hair, brown eyes with a mustache or goatee. Ramon, who also goes by Ray, was last seen at his residence in the 1900 block of Arlington Street on Tuesday, October 12th around 5:30 p.m. If you have contact with the silver alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.
I mean, I'm not playing anything.
Later.
Please report to the main office.
Yeah, if I can figure out how to get this working, I'll play maybe or something. Like, so, but I've got, I mean, I think I've got out here for Chris, James, Damien, Mara, Ian, Sam, Corey, Claire, and Sadie. I think I've got everybody. So, you all just come in here. I'd say right around the time school starts, 8:20.
What? I want the first period.
I'm like, love you. I mean, I'm not playing it. So easy. We'll just watch a movie or something.
That's like 3 hours.
I turned and I thought before. I have to keep that on because if it is cold, when I come in here this video, first time I did it. So I have to keep the heat on because it doesn't take up the room. You know how awful it is at night. It's really
later,
Ocean man, take me by the hand, lead me to the land that you understand. Ocean man, the voyage to the corner of the globe is a real trip. Ocean man.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Richmond Police Department at approximately 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The owl that destroyed Oklahoma is now in Virginia, breaking into people's homes and killing them. All people in the city of Richmond, get to your homes immediately and lock all windows and doors. If the owl breaks into your home, hide and call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information.
later.
Washington, Nevada, South Dakota, North Dakota, Minnesota, Wyoming, and Michigan. Anyone within 100 miles of these states should The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House and the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear. At approximately 12:03 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the military was able to shoot the Duolingo owl out of THR sky, and the owl bled out and died and won't return again. You may resume normal life. Thanks for your cooperation.